Hello traders, welcome to my YouTube channel Agile Trading. Now let me show you today's date and time. So today is 27th of October 2020 and currently time is 9:13 am. So we are waiting for the opening of market. Okay traders, so now let me show you our today's watch list. So we are having Axis Bank, ICI Bank, Mahindra and Mahindra, UPL, HDFC Bank and Reliance in our watch list. Okay traders, so I will be watching chart of each of these stocks, and whenever I get any opportunity to trade I will update you. So now I am pausing the video. So traders, I have taken a trade in M&M. So first let me place our target and stop loss to protect our position. So our stop loss is 601.90. Okay, first let me place this. Our risk reward is becoming now 2.08 and our stop loss, I'm little bit confused for our stop loss. Okay, so let us see some support from here. Okay, so traders, our stop loss is 602.80. So let us place. So okay, our stop loss has been placed, traders. It is taking a momentum on upside, but okay, we have set our stop loss. Now we are placing our target. So our target is of 587.90. So 587.90 is our target. Okay traders. So traders, we have here taken entry in NMM, and you can see this is our target and stop loss, and our risk reward ratio is 1.73, and this is our trade. So traders, here you can see first it came towards here and now it gone sideways, so I tried to take entry here as a downside momentum was coming, so I have entered in the trade, and let's see if it goes according to our setup or not. So traders, we will wait and I will update you when it will hit our target or stop loss. So traders, here you can see that our stop loss was got triggered and we had booked loss today. So let me tell you the mistake which I did here. So traders, today I didn't wait it for any some kind of price action. I just took the trade because of fear of missing out and to also get the good risk reward ratio. I entered into the trade without seeing some price action. So this was the mistake today which I did, traders, and also our stop loss was also not placed at a very good position. Okay traders, so this was our today's mistake. We accept our mistake, and from next time we will remember this. Now let's calculate our today's loss. So our stop loss points were 5.45, so 5.45, and our quantities were 15. So our today's loss is 81 rupees. Okay traders, so this was our today's trade. Hope you learned something from my mistake and enjoyed the video. So thank you for watching the video, and have a good day.